What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of EURCAD and CAD-CHF. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in both of these instruments. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we see a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis to see the bigger picture. Then we'll look at to see how we can trade EURCAD and CAD CHF. Now, starting with first of all CAD CHF on the bigger picture on the monthly time frame. Now, what do you see that CAD CHF from the top on the monthly, there has been a strong rejection. Now, after this kind of rejection, we can expect now CAD CHF to come down further. Why? Because as you can see that CAD CHF has broken this significant level of resistance monthly. This is a historical resistance, dynamic resistance that has been broken with these monthly candles. Now we see that the price is coming down. Now when you see this kind of move, you can expect this price come down further to test this trend line, this resistance, as well as this support together as a support before creating any bullish move. So with that being said, CAD CHF is still highly bearish. Now going to the weekly time frame, as you can see, past week there has been a strong bullish bearish move. We saw that there has been a double top formation and the price broke down. Now, as soon as this market opened, currently we see that if you look at the weekly price action, the price is just below this very strong level of resistance. Today, as soon as market opened, we saw that this support gap opening resistance and has broken with this previous weekly candle. Now today, as soon as market opened, we saw that this gap opening, this resistance tested as a resistance, and now we see that the price creating a move to the downside. Now we can expect that CAD CHF now to continue to drop at least to this level throughout the week. That can give us a significant trading opportunity. Now going to the daily, we saw that as expected according to the weekly forex forecast, we saw that the price just went above, tested this zone, and we see that now CAT CHF making a move to the downside, and we can expect this price to come down. Maybe probably we could see a little bit of our price as a fake out, and then we could see, or we even could see a drop from here. So now let's see on the intraday or 4-hour time frame what kind of price action it is creating. Now you can see that this is what I exactly expected in my weekly forex forecast. As if you have seen that, we saw that the price, there is a big move with that one, followed by little retracement, another move, another retracement. Now at this point, what I see, that you see there is a resistance here, this is a very strong resistance here, support here, support here, resistance. So quite a few times this same level acted as a support and resistance. Now at this point, we saw the price just tested this one today, and then we saw a rejection. Now from here, you see after this bearish candle, the price now creating a doji. After this closing of this candle, we could see a little bit of uprise, probably creating an head and shoulder in this zone, and then we can see a rejection to the downside. And this is our eyes is to see if this satisfy all the rules of our strategies for shorting from this zone with a high risk to reward ratio. Now let's see CAD EuroCAD how it is doing. Now EuroCAD, as the same way as CAD CHF, EuroCAD all looks bullish. Starting with the monthly time frame, what do we see? That EuroCAD has been bounced from this monthly support zone. There are back-to-back 3 months bounce from this zone, and then we saw that EuroCAD started to move up. Now we could see that EuroCAD is continuing to the upside, as it has a strong bounce from this monthly level of support. Back-to-back 3 months, we saw that there is a bounce from the same zone. Starting going to the weekly time frame, we have seen that past week there has been a strong bullish move. This week market open with a little retracement. Now we could see that the price is creating a bullish move. Now still it is likely to go bullish, at least in the first move. Let's say around the, you see there is a long week candle on the weekly. In the first move we can expect EuroCAD to visit this level. So if we draw this one here, that can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Going to the daily, the past day we saw a doji after this bullish engulfer. Now there is another doji, so we could see a push to the upside, this one, or even breaking this high, testing this resistance. So on the intraday or 4 hour, we saw that the price now creating a bullish pattern. You see this is a weekless candle, bullish engulfer, followed by a long doji. Now from here we could see CAD EUROCAD is pushing to the high, and we could potentially target at least to this level of resistance. That can give us a good risk to reward ratio, as long as all this price action satisfies all the rules of our strategies. After the closing of this candle, we'll consider going long with our members and students with a high risk to reward ratio. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.